What's going on, guys? So this is gonna be a quick video too. I'm heading to the paint shop now, but I wanted to really quick go over something because I've seen a few people wonder if it worked. By now, a lot of people know. A lot of the Prelude guys know. But this is used, but I'm just gonna unwrap it here because I could not find a clean one, and it's crazy because in South Dakota here we have usually 100 Accords everywhere. But I could not find a clean one in the junkyard or anything that I could get this off. Plus the rust and the bolts and everything just really tend to screw up around here after they sit in the junkyard for like one winter. So it's just really a pain in the ass to ever get anything. So basically what this is I believe, don't quote me, but I believe I gotta check. It's been a while since I messed with it. I think it's 94 through 97, because I think 98 they changed the Accord body style. It's either 98 or 99, which I like the Accords, don't get me wrong. So, but I was more of a CB7 fan. But basically the rear lip from, I think, the EX model, because I think the non-EX models had like a built-in look-alike. It wasn't really an actual lip that came off. But I know the EX model for sure has this rear lip, and I bought this from a guy off of eBay. I think he goes out and collects them and kind of thing, and you guys could do the same shit. If I found them, I would, because people like me would buy them. You know what I mean? If you can't find them, someone's gonna buy it and clean it up and sell it. And I bought it for like 130 bucks shipped. So yeah, I don't mind spending that because I want it. My car is getting painted. I want it to look clean. I really like the look of this stock rear lip. I actually really do enjoy it. Let's see here. But basically what you got to do is, depending on what exhaust you have, you may have to trim around the exhaust a little bit. And if you're keeping mud flaps, or you don't have rear mud flaps, or you don't want them, you're going to have to trim some in the rear. I want my rear mud flaps still on. So I'm gonna have to trim some of the end. Good God, man, this one is freaking. This thing is wrapped. You did a good job wrapping this. Tell you what, the bubble wrap. Get this last one off. Of course, it's always the last one that's a pain in the ass. And I don't have much strength in my chest right now after open heart surgery, man. I tell you what, that stuff really zapped my strength right now. So you be careful cutting this. But it'll be back slowly but surely every day. It's getting a little bit more and more. Just got to be easy on myself. But like I said, there's gonna be a lot of unboxing videos. This one I'm just kind of in a rush in, but I wanted to show some of the people this. This is in really good shape. I'm happy with this. This is the first time I really unboxed it. So I am actually really happy with this. So basically it goes like this. You know, you can take the gist of it. You know, you know what you're looking at if you're into trying to find one. Goes around the car, if I believe, like right here. So basically what we're gonna do is they're gonna trim the ends a little bit for me at the shop. I would do it myself, but since it's going in the paint booth, then being there, why not? You know, they'll charge me a little extra maybe, but it's not a big deal. So we'll get that done. But yeah, that's basically the Accord rear lip. I'll put a link into the one I found. And we'll take some pictures when it's all painted and put on. I mean, he included all the bolts, all the brackets. It's not missing a thing. So I'm really happy with that. So all he'll have to do is drill some bolts through the bottom of the bumper, and he'll be able to literally mount that up almost like it's stock. All right, guys, I'll take some pictures of it when it's all done and said. All right, have a good one.